This term heralds the start of the new curriculum for Wales, and I'm really excited to be here at Ysgol y Wern, meeting with pupils and staff to talk about their experiences of the new curriculum for Wales. It's a curriculum which has learners at its absolute heart, and one that gives teachers the flexibility to design a curriculum to meet the needs of all the pupils in the school. And I'm really excited to see the commitment and enthusiasm of our teachers here and across the school system in Wales for the new curriculum. The new curriculum means that our young people will leave school with the knowledge, skills and experiences to really fulfil their potential in the modern world.
So I think the main changes with regards to the new curriculum in the classroom is, of course, that we as teachers have been given more autonomy over what we're teaching and creating a bespoke curriculum for our pupils. So in the classroom, I think it's made the learning more pupil-led. The children have become more active learners rather than passive learners.
We've been learning about Llywelyn.
So I liked about this lesson that we did our own research and that we worked as a group and found facts that maybe the teachers wouldn't put on the slides.
I liked to learn about facts that maybe the teachers wouldn't think of, like you said.